For our funded and focused feature, when you use government contracts as a revenue source for your business, professional communication signals operational maturity. Government entities expect official email addresses, not personal accounts, and reliable phone access. An email address tied to the business domain improves trust and ensures correspondent is not lost in spam filters. Similarly, a functional phone line with a professional voicemail reassures procurement officers that the business is reachable. When you understand communication infrastructure and how it directly affects credibility and responsiveness, this improves your bid evaluation. So for example, Trevon, a client with a solar business, thought using a personal Gmail account seemed harmless until a clarification email landed in spam. This do-it-yourself approach cost him credibility. But with professional help, Trevon set up a business email, standardized signatures, and implemented a professional voicemail. Suddenly, communication felt official, and procurement officers treated the business accordingly.